yeah, man, that's it.
I'ma slow down. I can slow down. It don't make no sound. I need some more now. She wanna tap out. Living like two famo told me, boy, you better slow down. Done made it out so many fucked up places, I still don't know how. Pretty little bitch gon' fuck for free, she like to go down. When I get it, them cheat, no 1, 2, 3, she don't wanna tap out. So I took my piss when and bought me a chop, so I'ma need more round. Tryna sell my pride and put it to the side, but the shit won't go down. Gotta pour all ice, get way too hot for me to slow down. Won't sell my soap, sell anything, I need a slow down.
So what up, to all my king, queen, prince, and princess, man? It's your boy Court, aka YK Slim. Back at y'all with another video, man. Today I'm not rapping my car. I had my brother rap his car. I'm gonna show y'all how to rap. We already done started, but I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the process on it. We're doing the hood right now. But y'all just stay tuned, man. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the rap though. So you going with this blue. What kind of blue this is?
It's like a royal, blue royal, something like a blue royal.
Yeah, so it's not like a blue Roy. We already done started, man. You see the process. So y'all just stay tuned for them. We're gonna go ahead and get done, man. I don't know, we can record some more. We're gonna go ahead and get done, man. But we're gonna show y'all the finished product. So y'all just stay tuned.
Man, those are the bit hard like.
There you go, bro. We finally done with the hood. That blue hard. Finally done with the hood, man. About to do the roof right now. So y'all just stay tuned for that. But yeah. Finally. Yo, so yeah, man, it's another day. I had to man, I couldn't record like I wanted to, but we did get the trunk wrap also. So we did wrap the trunk. And he also done put a new bumper on it. So if he pull up today, I'm gonna show y'all the new bumper he got. I ordered me another bumper too, so it should be here this week. But we're gonna go ahead and try to get done wrapping his car. But today I'm gonna go ahead and wrap my trunk. Y'all already know I already did the hood and the roof already. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap my trunk and my spoiler right now today. And I'm also trying to paint my brake caliper also. So y'all already know I already had my brake caliper painted and it was blue. But I got some new brake caliper put on, so I'm gonna go ahead and paint them. Again, hopefully I can get to it today. I don't know if I want to paint them. I probably just go ahead and start wrapping, car route take a little longer. So yeah, man, I know. I said what? Hey, appreciate y'all, man. Yeah, like I said, your first time to the channel, man, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, man. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell also. Appreciate everybody who been with me on this journey, man. Almost trying to get to that 2K subscribers. I'm on the road to 5K subscribers, man. So I appreciate everybody, man. And I've been kind of a little sick, man, cause my tonsil was swollen. So you wanna know why I sound like that? Why I sound like that, man? So my tonsil finally going back down now. But yeah, that is the reason why. And I said I'm finna go ahead and, man, prep my car. Not gonna show y'all that. Y'all already done seen it before, but go ahead and watch it, prep it, and go ahead and get started with this wrap, man. So y'all just stay tuned. So I'm gonna go ahead, paint the caliper, man. I probably can't do the bumper today, but I'll let y'all know. My son got a game today also, so I'm gonna go ahead and paint the caliper. I am painting the caliper this color. This color is gonna be. I already got the caliper taped up. Go ahead and spray it down. Probably do like 3 coats on it just to get it right. So yeah, I already got it. This the back caliper. I already got it prepped up, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray it. So the first color, I just hit it real light just to get it started. I ain't gonna go back, start darkening it up. I just put a real light coat on it for the first. Yeah, man, so today is just not my day. It's not my day, y'all. Woke up, Tonsil was still swollen. Still hurting a little bit. Well, I ain't say swollen, but it still hurting a little bit. Today just not my day. The tape I got wasn't sticking to the caliper for me to tape everything off. I had to go buy some duct tape. Start spraying one of the calipers, right? So I opened up the box to the other caliper. Just tell me why. Why this caliper look like this? Why? Why does this caliper look like this? See sticker still on it. Why? Can't put my spoiler on because I don't have I need a deep socket. 10mm deep socket. I went to the parts store. They don't even have a 10mm deep socket. I just don't know, man. Today ain't my day, man. It's really not. So I'm just gonna go ahead, sit back, man. Chill, man, until time for me to go to my son's game. Maybe I start over another day. So the rest of this video probably gonna me starting back over, man. Trying to wrap my trunk, wrap my spoiler. Hopefully they can get me another brake caliper car. Ain't no way I'm putting that on my car, and ain't no way I'm finna try to paint that. Like, that's terrible, man. So I already put the second coat on this brake caliper. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. Now I'm gonna show you after I put the third coat on. But the bumper I ordered is here. Not gonna show it to y'all right now because it's still bounced up. And I just don't even feel like bothering anything right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this bumper in the house. But put it up. In that video, man, y'all will see in that video. I go ahead and throw the bumper on there. Well, I really got weight on my grill anyway. That's one reason why I ain't show it to you. It's just the bumper. The grill coming separate. So go ahead and take this in the hall, man. Go ahead and wrap my hood and trunk probably tomorrow or whenever I get a chance. I say I'm gonna go ahead and chill, man. Wait till my son's football game today. Want to see that? Make subscribe to the Whitlow Family Empire. We'll be vlogging that on the family channel. Dang, that baby look good though. So yeah, she all cleaned up though. I can say that. The route still holding up pretty good. Still look good. But yeah, man, got some new tires. I'm gonna go ahead and put the rims on too after I put the bumper in and wrap the spoiler and the trunk. I really want another spoiler, but I don't know. So after I wrap the trunk and the spoiler, I'm gonna go ahead and throw the new tires on, and when I put the bumper on also. So man, I said, bro. Yeah, so like I said, man, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here, man. Just catch up on the rest of it. Whenever I start back rapping, man, right now, man, it seems like it ain't my day. So, man, I'm gonna holler at y'all. So, I finally got the spoil off. Go ahead and clean it off. I know I got a clay bar in my trunk anyway. So, go ahead and clean all this off. I also got to clean the bumper up under it. So, I don't washed it. I still got to get all this stuff off. As I can see that. All that stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with the clay bar. Show y'all the result after that. Before I start before I start wrapping it. Yo, what's up, man? Yeah, I'm back, man. So I got the spoil off. I'm wipe everything down, man. About to go ahead and wrap the trunk, then wrap the spoiler. So y'all just stay tuned, man. Hold on. So yeah, like I said, I got the spoil off. I'm wipe everything down. So I'm about to just go ahead and start rapping.
Man, those are the bit hard like.
I dumb it down so long I hit the floor coming up. You might say he a real one, but he ain't one of us. And we might sell a big E, but we don't fuck with her. Came from the south side to my downtown, we going north. And I've been feeling Mary lean in my cup, I'm about to drown. They know that I'm a shine, I got white gold on my neck. And ain't no way I'm calling places, but my city, they might call me man. Know that they can't stay here, I'ma like the shallow Shanda. Don't wanna ball for the green too long, and I might spoil. Shoot like a rocket, it ain't face, but you know we came from hard. It's in my pocket, I'ma spray. Shoot them just like germs. And I get clout every day, but it ain't my turn. If you sit in my space, then you know it was worth it, I deserve. Are you that fighting, they get nervous? Know that it's a purpose.
Yeah, man, so I done did the trunk. Gotta go ahead, man. Might start on the bumper, I don't know. Finally done with the trunk, man. I'm gonna let y'all get a look at it. So yeah, man, I'm finally done with the trunk. You see, man, the process going pretty good. Gotta go ahead and get my bumper wrap. Really don't know if I want to wrap it or go ahead and order me another bumper, man. But so far, y'all tell me how the car looking, man. How it looking to y'all? I did pretty good, man. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all my brother's car. My brother done made it a good way, though. He done made it a good way with his car, man. So yeah, man, you see I do got another bumper. I gotta put the bumper on. Gotta get these headlights too. But yeah, man, this is the process so far. Now, what y'all think? What y'all think? How I did? I think it look pretty good so far. I think it look alright. I think it look pretty decent, man. So what y'all think? Should I leave that spoiler off or put another spoiler on? Just leave the spoiler off regardless, just ride like this. I think I need to spoil, but let me know what y'all think, man. I really don't even like this spoiler, but I don't know, man. I see how it look after I wrap it. But yeah, man. Let me know what y'all think, bro. I think I did pretty good. Yeah, man. So what y'all think, man? Should I leave the spoiler off? Look like a police? Should I go with a Hellcat spoiler or should I put my old spoiler back on? Let me know what y'all think. Boy, that route glossy. Man, boy. That route glossy, bro. I ain't gonna wrap the spoiler. I'm just joking with y'all, but I'm gonna wrap it. And not gonna be in this video, probably in the next video when I put my new rims on, new tires on. Also, I got some new brake calipers I'm putting on my own too. So y'all just stay tuned for that. Yeah, man. That's it. And y'all still let me know what color y'all think the car gonna be. That gonna be my net wrap. And that wrap, man, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the rest of the car. Go ahead and wrap the rest of the car, man. Let y'all see. I don't know if I really wanted to do it before next week, but you know, the wrap didn't come, man. Can't see that gloss black is. That gloss black look tough. So like I said, man, I am getting new tires, new rims. It will be next also with the spoiler. So I tell you back. My next video will be the spoiler and the new tires and wheels I'm putting on. That will be the next video. And after that, I'm gonna do the full wrap on my car. So y'all just guess what color it's gonna be. And as y'all see, I did take the decals off also. Where it say charge and RT, that gone. That decal will be gone too, but I got another one coming in. Man, so far, let me know what y'all think, man. How I'm doing with the wrap. Yo, man, with that being said, man, thanks for watching this video, man. The first time to the channel, man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell also, man, so you can see the rest of the videos that I'm dropping on this journey of me wrapping my own car, man. So please hit that notification bell, man. Your boy on the road, man. Almost at 2,000 subscribers, your boy on the road to 5K. That's my journey, man. 5K right now. So, man, your first time to the channel, man, hit that subscribe button, man. Please join me on this journey, man. I wrap my car. And I did say the next video might be my spoiler and the wheels, but I got something else I'm gonna show y'all also, man. So y'all stay tuned for that. So I got another chart I'm gonna show y'all, man. It's getting worked on right now. Y'all probably in my old video. It got stolen also, so got it back. Getting work done to it now, but And y'all gonna like it when we bring it back out, man. So that's it, man. Go ahead and subscribe, man. Appreciate everybody. But till next time, man, it's your boy Court, a.k.a. YK Slam.
I'ma slow down. I can slow down. It don't make no sound. I need some more now. She wanna tap out. Living like too fam, told me, boy, you better slow down. Done made it out so many fucked up places, I still don't know how. Pretty little bitch gon' fuck for free, she like to go down. When I get it, them cheat, no 1, 2, 3, she don't wanna tap out. So I took my piss, went and bought me a chop, so I'ma need more round. Tryna sell my pride and put it to the side, but the shit won't go down.